Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making cucumber salad. You will need 1 English cucumber, 1/4 of red onion, 2 scallions, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, the juice of 1 lime, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. To make the dressing, combine the rice vinegar, fish oil, lime juice, and canola oil. Now add the honey, red pepper, and sugar, and whisk until well combined. Using a mandolin, cut the cucumber into strips. Now combine the cucumber, red onion, and scallion. Pour in the dressing, then mix until the vegetables are well coated. This cucumber salad is healthy, easy to make, and it makes for a great side dish. I really hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soul food cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps.